My name is Eric Williams. I'm the owner of Eric's Detailing Services. I've had the business for 2 years now. On a basic detail, my process is start with the interior, start from the front, work my way to the back. When I do the outside, start with the wheels and tires, and then I move on to the exterior. When you book a detail with Eric's Detailing Services, you're booking with somebody who is more quality driven than volume driven. So when it comes to the exterior detail, my process is I hit it with a pH neutral soap, which is safe to the environment. Once I hand wash the exterior, I hit it with this paint sealant. It gives you 2 to 3 months worth of protection on your paint. So instead of the water just sheeting off, it's gonna bead up real nice and fall right off. You can get in contact with me at ericsdetailingservices.com, where you can see all my packages, my prices, and my availability. What I offer is full inside and out details, interior only, exterior only, paint corrections, and ceramic coatings. When you choose Eric, you choose excellence. Take care.